Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share an easy milk pump guide for new moms in 2026 and help make pumping feel simple, comfortable, and less stressful. For many new mothers, the first pumping session can feel confusing. There are different pump parts, settings, and routines to learn. The good news is that pumping usually becomes much easier once you get familiar with the process. Before starting, always make sure your hands are clean and all pump parts are properly washed and assembled. A clean setup helps create a safe and organized routine. Next, choose a comfortable place where you can sit and relax for a few minutes. Many mothers find that a calm environment makes pumping sessions feel smoother and more comfortable. Before using the pump, take a few deep breaths and try to relax. Some mothers also like to drink water before starting their session as part of their routine. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle setting. There is usually no need to begin with the strongest setting. A comfortable and steady approach often works best. If the milk does not start flowing immediately, do not worry. It is completely normal for the body to take a few minutes to respond. Patience is an important part of the process. During the session, try to stay comfortable and avoid constantly changing settings. Many mothers find that maintaining a steady routine makes pumping easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Staying organized can save time later. Finally, clean all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before storing them for the next use. Remember, every mother has a unique journey. It may take a little time to find the routine that works best for you, and that is completely normal. With practice, consistency, and patience, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.